Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you on how to remove your profile picture on Instagram. So let's just go for a very basic steps on how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Instagram application on your device. Okay? And then now you can tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, and then tap on edit profile. uh, just located below your profile picture. Okay, and then here you can see the edit picture or your avatar. It's just also below your profile picture. You just have to tap on it, and then you can see here the remove current picture from the list of the options. Okay, just tap on remove current picture. And okay, let's just wait for a few seconds. And now your profile picture on Instagram has been removed. Okay, that's it. That's how easy it is to remove your profile picture on Instagram. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos in the future. Bye.